Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, my people. Over and over again, I see videos on social media about relationships that gone bad. In one of those videos that I saw, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that the person was in a relationship with did some things out of spite just because that person ended the relationship between them. Now, I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in this video, you can hear someone talking about a person. Now, I want you to listen carefully to the things that the person said in this video. And you can also let me know what to think about the things that the person said in this video. You can also tell me, what would you do if you should ever find yourself in a situation that can be somewhat similar to the situation that the person talked about in this video that I'm about to present to you. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Just a come on my yard, you know. Just a leave work come on my yard and see how Satan bumbleclad chang.
Listen,
you see how Satan chang, you see how Satan has set this demon's boy for me. As me reach that the house now go out the door, you know. At the boy, I sit up over my granny yard, you know. And look here now. Look what the boy throw. A board window, you know. A board window, you know. And look here. Look what the boy throw the window. Lick off all the pot off of the fire when my daughter cook. See it there? Lick off throw the window here. In here. Yeah, my dirty baby father, my picnic, the last baby father. See it there? My granny have the window here lean up over her yard, which she not use. And the boy take it through the kitchen window. A board window. See it there? Through the kitchen window. Chip off all piece of this so. See it there? In the kitchen in Troy. Fling in the kitchen. And then I fling this.
I look back.
I fling that piece of wood there in here.
Look really away.
You see when me have to go through cross and me tell the boy say me and him done, you know, if you love me, you know. Me tell the boy say me and him done. If you leave me alone. You get up and call me so up myself every day me a this, me a that, me forgot my mama. And when me tell you say it done, me not go no further with this. It done. Me tired of it because me cannot live my flat life so. Get up every day and dirty man a come tell me about me must me a seller, me a this and that. And yes, you left your yard from George's Lane at town. You run from village and you go George's Lane. And you left George's Lane at town and come up Manchester. Come on me yard. Eh? You come on me yard and come make problem with me. Look there. Fling the window through. Fling this a piece of window here, you know. Through both kitchen window, you know. And fling that piece of same thing here, you know, that piece of wood there in the kitchen, you know. And walk me just a come from, you know, and come back up in a... You see how trouble set like rain? You see how trouble set like rain? Well, me I go call the police, them call me a lock up in, you know. By the hook or the crook, me I lock up him because me tired of this with dirty man. Me not sending no relationship everybody. The boy I come tell call me and this and that. I did know say me when you take me up. You never meet me on road, you meet me in a central village with family at rent place. Eh? And me I just start there. You didn't know say me that say you didn't know say I dance, me a dance. Me tired of your man, me are you done.
Alright, so my people, in the video, the person said, baby father. I hope you listen to the video carefully because in the video, the person said, baby father. That's the Jamaican way of saying baby father. See? Alright. Now, listen to me now. See? If you find yourself in a situation where you end a relationship between you and a person who you was in a relationship with, and I'm speaking for both men and women, you know. Because you have some women out there who beat men too, you know. See? So, when it comes on to abusive relationship, that goes both ways. Men and women. See? So, if you find yourself in a situation where you end a relationship with someone who you was in a relationship with, and the person start behaving some ways that are considered to be violent, it's best to let people know what's going on. And one of the best advice that I can give to you is that you make the police know what's going on too as well. And at any point you find yourself in an abusive relationship, end that relationship immediately. Get out. Yeah. That's how me look upon it, my people. See? Yeah. But I don't want to say a whole lot about this whole situation. Still, me just point out certain things and assess certain things. See? But I'd like you to tell me what I think about the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. See? I think the things that I said are common knowledge to adults out there. You know what I mean? I think so. I'm not sure. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when some things have been taken away or confiscated from a place that is located within the country of Jamaica. Now, please bear in mind that law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica was involved when it comes down to how those things have been confiscated from that place that is located in Jamaica. I don't have much confirmed information about the situation, viewers and subscribers. And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think. Please bear in mind that you might hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Imagine this is a store and I'm going to go to man's thing them out here. So how is it that police can take out people them out here? So you understand. They want to go to people them Olane. They want to go to people them see things in front of us store. We can understand what them do. We can understand what vendors you know. Vendors. But we in front of a store. We don't understand this. But this is a store though. And a store you never take out the people that furniture out of store. See it here? And the man have him license. The man have him license. This is right. This is one with no things. And I first me to this too. You know, money about go and pay. Why not give the man the money to pay? But this is we can understand this is our first night to this. Our first night to this. First night to this. Justice. First night to this to back style and justice. My Black Friday. Yes, sir.
Alright, my people. Now I don't know what happened before and after the video I recorded, viewers and subscribers. You see? Yeah, and let me point out certain things about this whole situation right here. So may I say, alright, so the video shows a sign that says King Street Appliances along with other words, viewers and subscribers. I think missing numbers as well too on that sign. Yes, so may I say, so maybe that can give you some form of understanding as well about the situation too. You see? And I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to notice those markings or words that you can see on shirts of at least 2 persons in the video to you, viewers and subscribers. Anyways, here's another video about the same situation that might give you some form of understanding about the whole situation in a better way. Maybe, you see? Yeah, I'm going to present another video to you about this same situation, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
People on the roadside, Look how you put on this. This will expire 20 in December. Who will put it in? I'll put this man on it. This man. Come here, yo. If you want to, I'll put this one. Everything. This will expire. Look for it. And then I take up the goods and I expire 22nd of December. Look, in Coachman. Who in Coachman? Put it on social media, yo. I'm on the social media.
Everywhere to go, social media. Viral. Viral to go.
Yeah, man, never teach them that.
I don't have any confirmed information as to who those things that have been confiscated by those law enforcers belongs to. See? But if you look at the video carefully and listen carefully, you can hear a person basically express a certain type of emotion. I think that the person angry. I mean, listen to this part of the video. It's like you can hear when the person say the word expire and other words as well. You see me I say, listen.
Look how you put on this. This will expire 20 in December. Who will put it in? I'll put this man on it. This man. Come here, yo.
So me ask my people. So based on the part of the video now, viewers and subscribers, me I wonder who is that person, you know? Because that person seems really upset because of certain things that happen. May I tell you the truth, my people. So now you look away, you know? Enough time I see videos on social media where law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica take goods from certain places. But at the same time, you know, that video just might be of a situation that can be somewhat similar, but might be somewhat different in certain ways. Yeah, my people, and I really, so me I say, I hope you understand what I'm trying to point out. The reason why I presented those videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because those videos are being talked about on social media, and I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about those videos that I presented to you. See, in no way nor no form did I present any of those videos to you to disrespect anyone. No, I did not. Now, before I end this video, viewers and subscribers, I want to encourage each and every one who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you like the way how I do my videos, don't be afraid to let me know in the comment section of the video and show your appreciation by subscribing to the channel. Yeah, Dancehall Skilla channel is a place where your voice can be heard, viewers and subscribers. You can also read in the description part of each and every one of my videos below to find ways to contact me, Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, there are ways there you can contact me and let me know about something that you would like the world to know about and all them things there. So me stay. Alright, so this is a channel where your voice can be heard. So big up and respect to each and every one. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.